Hi everybody, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. It's Jen and I'm going to show you how to make a nice and easy chocolate ganache for a drizzle cake. Alright, chocolate ganache is really easy to make. All you have to do is start with a cup of heavy cream, pour it in a saucepan, whatever you got, stick it on the stove and bring it to a boil. It'll start to bubble up and get that kind of gross skin. That's when you shut it off. Easy, right? Okay, measure out 2 cups of your chocolate chips. I'm using regular old Nestle chocolate chips. You could use a baker's chocolate though if you want. When you have it measured out, pour your heavy cream on top and then just start mixing. That's it. That's like all you have to do is just start mixing it. You're going to find as you mix it, it's going to get darker, all the chocolate's going to melt and become part of it, and you're going to realize you got yourself some legit chocolate ganache right there. Now when you're done mixing it, put it aside for 15 minutes just to let it set, and then you are most likely ready to start using it. You can test to see if it's ready to be used by taking a little bit on your spoon and drizzling it around the side of your bowl, or get another bowl and turn it upside down and just kind of drizzle it around there. You're going to see how runny it is or how thick it is. Now, if it's too runny, what you're going to do is add some more chocolate chips to it. Just, throw another half cup in maybe. Stick it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, just enough to get it warmed up and, get those new chips melted in. And then try it again. Test it out before you put it on your cake. If it's too thick, you just got to warm up a little bit more cream and add a little bit more to your ganache until you find a lovely amount. And if you're going to be adding color to it, all you have to do is use white chocolate chips, white chocolate. Instead, add your food coloring and you can make something like that, right? Nice and easy. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. That does help me out. I've got a lot of other videos out there, especially if you want to try making one of these cakes. And as always, thank you for watching Caketastic Cakes.